back with my update to the JobBlock artificial intelligence driven resume and cover letter builder application. Basically a personal project where we use the OpenAI ChatGPT API to generate resume components and a cover letter. And I actually did some tuning to the application today. So basically, what I'm going to show you is just a little abstraction that I did on the prompt, because the prompt I was generating within the routing, it was a little bit messy. So I abstracted it away and created two functions over there with the API module. So basically, I have these two functions that will take in three parameters: summary, subtitle, and job. Summary and subtitle will come from the user's profile, and job will come from the page. It will generate when a user enters information into a form, and we only want to use job if it's needed. So I'll show you right now. It's a little easier to show you. So basically, I'll log in as this fake profile, actually a real profile, fake user, as I've said many times, as I've demonstrated. I've used, I got someone's real profile from LinkedIn, because we can import profiles from LinkedIn. I will demonstrate that again one of these days. And I just put a fake name on top of it to protect that person's identity. So when we log in, a bunch of jobs pop up based on that person's location and their profile, and the profile includes their job title. And then we'll show you that it also includes their background. So all this comes from their LinkedIn profile, which gets imported pretty simply. It just comes in through a LinkedIn API. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to generate resume. And so when I hit generate resume, it basically pulls the most recent one that was generated from the database. And the benefit of that is to prevent a user from having to call ChatGPT's API too often. So we just pulled the most recent one. Now, the purpose of this demo is so that I can show you how to generate a targeted resume based on a specific job. So based on those jobs that we saw when we logged in, I'm going to choose one. So we have autocomplete enabled, basically from those jobs that we saw when we logged in. And this can be expanded. Right now we have it limited to about 20 or 30 jobs based on that user's profile. And then we'll say, okay, which one looks interesting? Oh, Homeland Security. That one looks good. So what we'll do is we'll update resume, and it will factor in this job that we just selected into the objective and the cover letter. So if you see here, seeking an IT cybersecurity specialist infosec position at the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. So it factors that in to the objective, and it also factors in their profile, which is security engineer at Northrop Grumman, with the goal in the cover letter, and the goal, which is IT cybersecurity specialist at the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. So it factors that in if a job was selected. If a job was chosen, it'll factor it in. If not, it'll just create these two items, the objective and the cover letter. It'll just create them based on the user's profile and her existing position. So that's it for today. Just wanted to show you that, basically targeting specific jobs based on, and using AI to target specific jobs. And so maybe I'll have another feature by tomorrow, but that's all for today. Thanks a lot. Bye.